Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at something different. This is a battery powered chainsaw and it is from the German manufacturer STIHL. So the model we are looking at is the STIHL MSA 120C and it retails for about $300. You can find different sized models, some a bit larger. It goes like a 120, there's a 170 and other models depending on the power of the chainsaw and the length of the bar. And this one is quite portable, very easy to use. It has a very easy lubricant system for the chain, and I think the chain is actually specifically designed for electric chainsaws. The chain has that protective housing, as you guys can see, that you can use when transporting the chainsaw. Also, it has two safeties, one at the front where you hold the chainsaw during use, and at the back where you have the trigger. You press a button and then you can activate the chain. So it's very useful around the yard where you might have brushes, little branches, maybe after a storm, and you could use the electric chainsaw to easily cut down those branches to size and haul them off to the dumpster. So this is very lightweight. It weighs in at just 8.4 pounds, including the battery, the bar, and the chain, and it features very low vibration, very quick chain adjustment, and the STIHL Quickstop Plus chain braking feature. It also comes with the exclusive 1/4-inch STIHL PICCO saw chain, custom designed for use on the STIHL battery powered chainsaws. If you are cutting a 4-inch diameter wood, the STIHL AK Series chainsaw can make 100 cuts on a single charge, which gives you enough power to tackle tall stacks of firewood. And this is very easy and handy to use. You don't have to fire up a 2-cycle engine. You guys know how people struggle with those, especially coming from the winter months. It's always a struggle. So here you have one which is silent, and then you can go about doing your stuff without destroying your eardrums. So it has 0 to low emissions, exhaust emissions, lightweight for portability, very maneuverable, and it lends itself to extended use. Also, you have the Ematic guide bar, and then when used with the STIHL automatic saw chain, will provide proper lubrication and less oil consumption than conventional methods. It has a quick chain adjuster, and you also have soft rubber texture where your hand actually comes in contact with the chainsaw. So there you guys can see how I just easily knocked out those two pieces of wood. Very easy to use. The bar length on this one is 12 inches. And also it's compliant with the California Air Resources Board, so CARB compliant. Maximum cutting diameter should be about 24 inches. It runs on a 36-volt battery. And so that is what I had to share with you guys on this chainsaw. I find it to be quite handy, and it's just it's ready to go. Once you find a piece of wood that you have to cut, the chainsaw, at the flick of a switch, it's right there, it's ready, and you can go ahead cutting. It's just the perfect tool for pruning branches, clearing out brushes around your yard. It comes with a charger, and you can find it on Amazon. I will put a link to the product in the description below. The good thing too is that the battery has indicator LED light on it. So if you doubt how much juice you have left, you just push on the button on the battery and it will tell you how much you have left. Also, when removing the battery, it has 2 detent positions. So you push down on the orange button on the battery, you pull it out one stop, and then you push down even harder and you can pull it out completely. So that, I think, is in case you accidentally bump on something while the battery is in the chainsaw. That way you won't lose the battery. So very good design, I think, in my opinion. So there you have it, guys. A very good product, which I think is going to be the mainstay in many garages around the country. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.